In kindergarten and first grade, we didn't notice any issues with Kate at school. She was progressing with her reading and was even ahead of grade level and didn't complain of any problems at school aside from a few complaints during first grade that she was having headaches periodically. And then it came time to get her eye exam the summer before second grade, and we went in to see Dr. Adams, and this was the first time we had met with her. We'd been to other optometrists before who didn't notice any issues with her, but Dr. Adams noticed immediately that her eyes were not tracking the way that they should, and she found that she has convergence insufficiency and was probably seeing double vision all along. And it was amazing that she was able to read at the level she was reading, because every time she would try to read up close, she was seeing double of everything. She also had a constricted field of vision and issues with tracking as well. So she would skip words. Sometimes she would move from one line to another. And as it turns out, it was because she was having a hard time getting her eyes to move properly across the page, and she was seeing double all this time. So after we found out about these diagnoses, a lot of symptoms showed up in hindsight that we hadn't really noticed and attributed to any type of eyesight or vision problem in the past.